My only question, Gaurav, tonight is this. A whole group of people had said, सब कुछ खत्म हो गया, कुछ बाकी नहीं रहा, इलेक्शंस कभी नहीं होंगे, कभी भी वोटिंग नहीं होगी, कोई चुनाव नहीं किए जाएंगे, हम गारंटी कर रहे हैं that only when 370 comes back will there be elections. Today, look at them. First of all, you can smile a little bit. Imran, इतना गुस्सा होना ठीक नहीं है. हो गया सब कुछ. Give credit, Imran.
I'm happy. मैं बहुत
No, you are not looking happy, Imran.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
आप नहीं है खुश.
अक्टूबर 8 को रिजल्ट आने वाला है.
मैं रिजल्ट की बात नहीं कर रहा. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि इतनी पीसफुली इलेक्शन हो गई. आपने तो कहा था इलेक्शन नहीं होंगे, कुछ नहीं होगा.
उससे आप दुखी हो जाओगे. मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
आप एडमिट कर लीजिए, आपने गलत बोला था. आप एडमिट कर लीजिए, आपने गलत बोला था, आपने झूठ बोला था लोगों को.
नहीं, हमने झूठ नहीं बोला. ये
बनावटी बातें कही थी.
आपने जो आप परसेंटेज आप गिन रहे थे स्टार्ट में, द परसेंटेज दैट यू वर काउंटिंग, it is the anger that has come out through votes against the decisions that were taken on August 5, 2019. And you will come to know about it on October 8. And then you will get the biggest shock of your life. That is what I wanted to say.
No, I'll be very happy whoever comes to power. You are angry because the voting has been high.
No, I'm not angry. I'm happy. People came out and people expressed their anger. People were suffocated. 10 साल तक हमसे जमहूरी हक हमसे छीना गया था. For 10 long years.
अच्छा, I'll go to Gaurav. I'm not debating with you.
Rights.
No, I'm not debating. मैं नहीं debate. Gaurav debate.
You have a BJP spokesperson.
No, let the BJP spokesperson respond to you.
Why were we demoted from a state to a UT? They have no answers. They just come here, BJP leaders come here and they go on the same, they speak the same rhetoric about families, and because they have nothing to sell. They have nothing to sell, and they are going to get a very, very nice message on October 8th, not only in J&K, but in other states as well, in Haryana as well.
Gaurav is responding, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Gaurav is responding to you. The debate is open, Imran. Gaurav.
So, Arnab, first of all, this is a very special debate tonight, and like any other Indian, I feel proud also of the fact that India is celebrating democracy, and people who were saying that there is no democracy in India, like Rahul Gandhi, and people from the National Conference and the PDP who were saying there is no democracy in Kashmir, have been shown the mirror by the people of Kashmir. मैं आपसे इतना ही कहना चाहूंगा, खुशी में आ गले लग जा, हाथ उठा के कह रहा हूं अर्नब, इतनी खुशी है आज दिल में कि कहता हूं आ गले लग जा. And I must tell you, when our constitution, Arnab, said that Article 370 is a temporary provision for the sake of appeasement politics and Muslim vote bank, the Congress, the National Conference, the PDP never ever implemented the constitution in its true spirit. But then came Narendra Modi ji, a man who took a historical decision and corrected the historical mistake, blunder made by Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the result? All the viewers in India should know this. The voter turnout in Kashmir in the third phase is 65.6% at 7 p.m. Assembly constituencies from 2014, they were 83, increased to 90. Phases, 2014 had 5 phases of election. Now the law and order situation has improved. In 3 phases, we could complete the entire state election. And law and order incidents in 2014 were 170, down to nil. No major incident reported. Therefore, it's a tight slap on the face of Congress party that was advocating restoration of Article 370. PDP, अर्नब जी आपको याद है महबूबा मुफ्ती ने क्या कहा था, अगर अनुच्छेद 370 हटाया तो तिरंगे को कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं होगा. आज पीडीपी का राजनीतिक जनाजा जा रहा है और कांधा देने वाला कोई नहीं है. एंड नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस, Farooq Abdullah said, I will seek China's help to restore Article 370. No,
He never
sir.
said that.
We don't need China's
never-
help.
don't misquote
India
him.
is a
Don't misquote him. Don't spread
strong
lies.
serving nation,
never said-
and our
Gaurav, he says he's been
sovereignty is strong
misquoted. I
enough.
don't think
We
Gaurav is
need any
misquoting
foreign
him.
interference.
I don't think Gaurav
And
is
that
misquoting
why
him,
today
Amran.
We feel proud
Not
as an Indian.
misquoting, but he's misleading the whole nation.
Don't misquote facts. I mean, I know BJP is the factory.
Yeah,
of
what is the
spreading
misleading
but
part? Can you tell
nobody,
me?
Nobody.
What is your manifesto? Your manifesto says restore Article 370, sir. Read your own manifesto.
You must take your
Definitely,
words back.
definitely.
Farooq Sahib has never
Definitely.
said what you are saying.
Their
Give me-
manifesto, Arnab, says
give me-
they
give
will
me-
One was
release
misquoted,
the
other-
terrorists who are behind bars.
Give me
Their
30
manifesto
seconds.
says they will restore
Give me
Article
30
370.
आपका जो है
They call
सारा झूठे
Shankaracharya Hills,
Abid!
insulting every Hindu. Takte Suleiman.
No.
Don't
Dare
lie.
you
Don't lie.
insult the
Mistaken.
Indian
ये
and the
इस-
Hindu
इस-
especially.
इस
You are
बात की
mistaken.
It is
Just show me-
Shankaracharya
just show
Hills.
me there in our
ये झूठ-
manifesto
ये झूठ है।
papers. No,
झूठ
एक
बोलो।
second. एक second.
Don't lie.
Just
क्या झूठ है?
let me answer this.
ये
Just
देखिए इनका रेजोल्यूशन कांग्रेस पार्टी का
मैं
You
कौन
want
सा
to
resolution?
become कांग्रेस
कौन सा
पार्टी का
resolution?
रेजोल्यूशन है मेरे
कौन
हाथ
सा
में
रेजोल्यूशन कौन सा
Application
रेजोल्यूशन
of Article 370, the Congress party categorically said, we oppose the abrogation of Article 370.
because
This
it
is
is
your resolution,
undemocratic
read
and
your
unconstitutional.
resolution. Dated
Because it is
6th of August
undemocratic and
2019.
unconstitutional.
Shame on
That's why
you.
we oppose it.
Shame on
That's
you.
why we oppose it. That's why we oppose
Shameless
it.
creatures coming to divide the
That's why
country.
we
राहुल
oppose it.
गांधी को यही सिखाया है क्या?
आपने जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को पहले आपने जम्मू कश्मीर
अरे
के लोगों
छोड़िए
को
आप
ये
आर्टिकल
पूछा क्या कर
370
रहे
को
हैं?
छू नहीं पाते थे उखाड़ के फेंक दिया अब आप छाती पीट रहे हैं क्यों नहीं why didn't you abrogate Article 370 tell me?
आप तो तब सियासत
in
में ही
power
नहीं
for
थे
55 years,
जब
why couldn't you
370
abrogate
के
it?
बहुत सारे amendment
you
हुए
were indulging in
आप
appeasement
सियासत में ही
politics
नहीं थे
against
तब
the interest of the nation.
आप
This
तो
is your
सियासत में ही
resolution.
नहीं थे जब
Should I read the
370
resolution?
में
You will be put to
100 से
shame.
ज्यादा अमेंडमेंट हुए कौन सा रेजोल्यूशन
नहीं राहुल गांधी जाके कश्मीर में अर्नब टेररिस्ट से आंखें मिला रहे थे इलू इलू कर रहे थे वो कह रहे थे मुझे कश्मीर में टेररिस्ट दिखा उसने मेरी
बिल्कुल।
आंखों में देखा मैंने उसकी आंखों में
बिरयानी-
देखा और हमें प्यार हो
बिरयानी खाने
गया अरे
मोदी
राहुल
के-
गांधी यू शुड हैव रिपोर्टेड दैट टेररिस्ट टू द पुलिस
राहुल गांधी को बिरयानी नहीं खाने गए पाकिस्तान कौन खाने
टेररिस्ट
गए
से
बिरयानी
इलू इलू
पाकिस्तान
करोगे
राहुल गांधी बिरयानी खाने गए थे पाकिस्तान
ये देखो एक और दिखाओ ये
बिरयानी
देखो
पे-
तस्वीर देखी ये देखो यासीन मलिक कहाँ है
आप गूगल
प्रधानमंत्री हाउस
करो आप
में
गूगल करो
ये देखो
वाजपेयी जी
ये
की
देखो
तस्वीरें बहुत दिख
ये
रही
मोदी
है
जी आए ताकत बालों से खींच के
वाजपेयी
जेल
जी-
की सलाह
वाजपेयी जी साहब
डाल दिया
की-
इसको
वाजपेयी
ये फर्क
साहब की
है।
No,
बहुत
sir.
सारी
She's a-
आइंदा
चीजें
तमीज
हैं।
से बात करो
आप शायद
ये
भूल
फर्क
गए
है।
वाजपेयी जी पहले प्रधानमंत्री हैं,
ये देखो
जिसने
ये
1 to 1
देखो इधर उधर भूल नहीं गए अभी तो नानी याद आ जाएगी इटली वाली देखिए
2002 में आप
ये
भूल गए,
फर्क है।
2002 में आप भूल गए जब
यू कांट इवन आंसर वन
के साथ-
क्वेश्चन